Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payments with Stripe easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with transferring payments using Stripe, you'll first need to log in to your Stripe account. If you don't already have an account, visit stripe.com and sign up for free. Once logged in, navigate to the payments section in the dashboard. Here, you'll see a summary of all your recent transactions. To initiate a payment transfer, click on the transfer button. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Define the recipient of the transfer by selecting them from your list of connected accounts. If you're transferring to a new recipient, you'll need to add their details first. After entering all necessary information, click on the Next button. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, click the Confirm Transfer button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successfully submitted. Transfers usually take a few business days to complete, so be patient. To check the status of your transfer, return to the Payments section. Here, you can see pending transfers, completed transfers, and any errors that may have occurred. If there is an issue, Stripe will provide specific feedback for troubleshooting. Finally, remember to keep your account information and recipient details updated to avoid any delays in future transfers. And that's how you transfer payments with Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.